Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about a Leetcode question number 66 plus 1. You are given a large integer represented as a integer array digits, where each digit of I is the ith digits of the integer. The digits are ordered from most significant to least significant in left to right order. The large integer does not contain any reading zeros. Increment the large integer by 1 and return the resulting array of digits. So they're asking us to find that they will give a array which is a integer. Okay, an integer form in an array. We want to plus 1 in that array and we want to return the resultant array. That's what they have stated. Now, just see here. These are all the Leetcode questions. These are the numbers. You have to know that these are all of the numbers which are similar questions. Okay, these are all of same type. Like we want to add array and integer or add to binary like that. Okay, still we have this format in linked list also. Add number. I think question number 2, right? It is add linked list, add numbers or linked list. I don't know. And see this 2. It is I think we want to add to linked list. So these are all are same type. Okay, if you know one single type, you can solve all this question. Same approach. Okay. Coming back to the example, see here 1, 2, 3. So I will take this as an integer 1, 2, 3. If I add 1, it will become what 1, 2, 4. That's what I written in the array form. Now take this example. If I increment 1, it will be 2. I return this. If I increment this, 9 will become what 10. So 10 will be written here in the array form. Okay, seeing this itself, we can predict the brute force. What is the brute force? I can say we want to convert the array format to integer. Now just add 2 integers. Okay. Now at last, make that integer to an array and store it. That's it. Simple, right? Okay. So this is a brute force solution, and its time complexity will be O of n, and space complexity will be O of 1. Okay, because we haven't used any extra space, we just used what? A resultant array. This is what resultant array. So we don't take this as a space complexity. So we want n to traverse. Right? Now that's a drawback. That's a drawback. Okay, what is the drawback? You may ask. See here, if I have 100 digits, 100 digits means array size of what? Size is equal to 100. Okay. In this case, we are going to place the digits like 100 values. 100 values means see how much huge. It leads to integer overflow. Integer overflow. Okay. This is the disadvantage of this approach. But still, you can run this approach in Python. But in C++, I think so in Java also, we get the integer overflow error. Fine. Now, how to rectify this integer overflow error? We can do this same time constant space something, but we want to avoid this integer overflow error. How can we do it? Okay, let me take an example. See here, if it is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, I want to add 1, right? So you may say that take this and increment by 1. It will be 4. Just return it. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. Say 1, 2, 4. Fine. Here's the result. Okay. You may say this, but if I give an array something like, just see this carefully, something like 1, 2, then 8, then 9, then 9, again 9. What should be my answer now? Just observe carefully. What is my answer now? The result should be like 0, 0, 0, and here 9, here 2, here 1. That should be my result, right? But if I do like this, my result will be what? Here 1, it will be equal to 10. So this is not a right approach. Now, how to do this second approach? Okay. We want to do we want to add 1, right? So I will add 1 here. Okay, add 1. If I add 1 here, what is my sum? My sum will be something like 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay, it is 10. If it is 10, should I put this in only single place? No. 0 should be placed here. 1 should be in a carry, right? So to take the carry, we want to do like something 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. We are dividing by 10's place. So that if we have any 10's place, that will be my quotient. So 1. So I will put in the carry now. Now again, what is my value to put here. So here I want to put like 10 mod 10. So it's equal to 0. So 0 will be replaced here. Can I understand here? Here we want to put 10 mod 10. Here we want to put, uh, sorry, here we want to put the sum mod 10 and here we want to put sum divided by 10. Fine. Now again, here defaultly it will be 0, right? Defaultly it will be 0. Now 1 plus 9 is what? 1 plus 9 is 10. Again put 0 here, put 1 here. Do the same step, okay? Now take this 9. 9 plus 1 is 0. Here 1. Again, here it will be what? It will be 9. Okay. So 9 mod 10 which is equal to 9. So you put 9 here. 9 divided by 10 is what? 0. So carry is 0. So if carry is 0, whether there is any possibility to change these values. Take for example, here it is 9. 9 plus 0 is what? Again 9. So why should I bother? Okay, don't bother. Just put 2 here and put 1 here. This is my result, right? Can I understand? Yes. So I want to do this process until when my carry is 1. If once my carry turn to 0, stop there. Just return the array. Because rest of the array will be same. Here only we want to a modification. So this part is only modified. Can I understand this approach? Okay. What's the time constant space for this approach? Same. O of n, sorry, O of 1 as space and O of n as time. Hope you understand this. Now it's time to see the code. See here, the first code is that we want to change the array format into integer format, right? So I am just changing my array format into the integer format. See here, num is equal to 0 and I am traversing each and every digits and num is equal to num into 10 plus 1, which means if the digit is like 1, 2, 3, then 1 into 10 is equal to 10 plus 2, so 12. Now 12 into 10 is equal to 120 plus 3, which means 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, now num plus equal to 1. I added 1. Now result is equal to empty list. Now while num is greater than 0, then I want to append in the result by what? Num mod 10. Num mod 10. Why? Because I'm just expanding last digit and appending. Then I will take the last digits appending. Last digits append. Last digits append. Can you understand this? And I will reduce this continuously. Now I want to reverse the resultant array. Why I want to reverse the resultant array? See here, if my number something like looks like uh 1, 2, 3, I first take this 3. I will first take this 3 and put in array. Then I will take this 2, put in array. Now take this 1, I put in array. Now I want to reverse this array 1, 2, 3, such that I will take the original part, right? So that's why we are reversing it and returning the result. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully in Python, but you are trying this in C++, you will get integer overflow error. Okay, this is another method in Python. See here, I first convert this list into a string, then I will convert this to the integer, then I will add 1, then I will make that again to a string, and I will iterate to each and every elements, and I will make them as an integer and push into the resultant array, then I will just pass the resultant array. You may do like this also. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Now, the last approach is that the optimal approach. See here, this is the optimal approach. So carry comma s equal to 1 comma 0. I will tell you a slight modification in our code, in our drawing explanation. I will tell you. See here, for I in range of len of digits minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Okay. Now I am just traversing in the reverse. Now s equal to digits of I plus carry. Now carry is equal to s divided by 10, which means I want to take the carry as what? Divided by 10, such that I will take the 10's place. Now s is equal to s mod 10 and I will place that in the digit. Now if carry is equal to 0, then I should drop my plan that itself. Because remaining thing, there is no modification. Now return the digit, that's it. Okay. After finishing this loop, if I have carry, what it signifies? Take for example, if I have 9, 9, 9 as my array. Okay. Now, if I add 1, it will be 0. Here is 0. Here is 0. I will stop there, right? But my carry is what? My carry is equal to 1. So I will put 1 here. So I will check at last whether I have carry. Okay. If carry is 0, then here also we should return, right? So here it is not written such that it means here there is a carry. Okay. So return 1 plus digits. Okay. You can do like this or else You can also do this method also. Just take a resultant array of initialize 0 of length is digit plus 1. Digit length plus 1. Now take that 0 in this as 1 and remaining as what? That same as digit array. Now return that result. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Thank you.